The new CB300X features these stunning LED headlights and a redesigned fuel tank for better range. It truly is a leap forward.
What if I told you there's an adventure bike that's light, reliable, fuel efficient, and still tough enough for weekend trails, all without breaking the bank? Today, we're talking about the 2026 Honda CB300X, and trust me, this one might surprise you. Welcome back to Biker Wish, the channel where we break down the latest and greatest bikes for real riders. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's jump straight into Honda's compact adventure machine for 2026. Design and styling. The 2026 CB300X keeps that true adventure bike look. You get a tall windscreen, upright riding position, beak-style front fender, and sharp, rally-inspired bodywork. Honda has refined the graphics and color options this year, giving the bike a more premium, big ADV feel, despite its lightweight size. Engine and performance. Powering the CB300X is a 286cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, tuned for smooth and predictable power. It's not about raw speed, it's about control. Perfect for city commuting, highway cruising, and light off-road adventures. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox and Honda's legendary reliability. Ride and handling. This is where the CB300X really shines. With its long travel suspension, wide handlebars, and balanced chassis, the bike feels confident on rough roads and gravel. It's light, easy to handle, and forgiving, making it an excellent choice for new adventure riders or anyone who wants stress-free riding. Tech and features. For 2026, Honda continues with a clean and functional setup. A digital LCD display, slipper clutch, LED lighting, and standard ABS. No unnecessary gimmicks, just practical features that actually help on real-world rides. Comfort and practicality. The upright ergonomics, comfortable seat, and excellent fuel economy make this bike ideal for daily use. Whether you're commuting during the week or exploring back roads on the weekend, the CB300X stays comfortable and efficient. Who is it for? The 2026 Honda CB300X is perfect for riders who want a lightweight adventure bike, low maintenance and high reliability, great fuel efficiency, easy handling for city and trail use. This is adventure riding made simple. So, is the 2026 Honda CB300X the best entry-level adventure bike in the USA? For many riders, it absolutely is. Thanks for watching Biker Wish. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, share it with a fellow rider, and subscribe for more bike content. I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe and keep exploring.